Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use noise reduction in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, navigate to the Fairlight page, which is where all your audio magic happens. Once there, locate the noise reduction effect in the effects library. This powerful tool is essential for cleaning up unwanted background sounds, ensuring your audio sounds professional and clear. Preparing your audio track by selecting it is the first step before applying any effects. After locating the effect, simply drag and drop the noise reduction onto your desired audio clip in the timeline. You'll then see its parameters appear in the inspector. The two most crucial controls are threshold and reduction. Adjust the threshold to tell the effect where the noise floor is, and then use reduction to specify how much of that noise you want to eliminate, often starting with a subtle 10 to 20%. Fine-tuning is key for natural-sounding results. Experiment with the release parameter to prevent the audio from sounding choppy or unnatural. A setting between 50 and 100 milliseconds often works well. Crucially, use the Listen button to isolate and hear only the noise being removed, allowing for incredibly precise adjustments. Keep an eye on the gain reduction meter to avoid overprocessing your valuable audio. For the best results, always apply noise reduction subtly. Overprocessing can introduce unwanted artifacts, making your audio sound artificial. Continuously compare your processed audio with the original by toggling the effect on and off. This ensures you maintain the highest possible audio fidelity. Once satisfied, render your final project, confident that your audio is clean, clear, and professional, ready for distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.